right, let's get started here. We are American Sign Language Services Community. This is us. My name is Julius Satterley, and you signed my name, Julius. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. The 20 words we'll be teaching you today are here. Number one, the first one will be hello. Number two, how are you? How are you? Some of the responses might be good, good. Maybe the response will be you take the good and you throw it down. Bad, bad. How are you? So. I feel so. This is feel with your middle finger. Feel. How are you? Sick. And you have that look on your face that shows that you're sick. How are you? Happy. This is how we applaud in deaf culture. This is applauding because we don't clap because you can't hear it, right? So you see it by applauding. Happy. How are you? Hungry. Hungry. Using it like this and just once. Hungry. If you do it multiple times, that means something else. And that's for adults. Number 9. How are you? Tired. Tired. Right? You're showing it like this. Tired. How are you? Sleepy. Sleepy. If you meet a deaf person and you look at them and you suspect they might be deaf, you would first say, you? Yes, I'm deaf, or no, me hearing. I'm hearing, right? And by asking that question, they're going to think you know how to sign. And you say, don't know, sign, right? Don't know, sign. Nice, like nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Sorry. Your fist is like this. Sorry. Uh, it's okay. Uh, it's okay. Your T like this. Bathroom. Bathroom. Where? Where? Bathroom. Over there? Over here? Over there? Bathroom. Your palm. Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. And you look him in the eye. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Again, looking him in the eye. Welcome. Thank you. From ear to ear. Deaf. Deaf. Hearing. You can speak and hear. Hearing. I'm a student, meaning I'm absorbing from the book, putting it in my mind, and I'm a person. I'm a student. All right, we'll see you next episode.